Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, that kind of hurt my neck, gave me a little whiplash. What was I saying? Welcome back to my channel. As promised, this week I am going to be changing my old master bedroom into my new office and craft space. Last week I moved my bedroom upstairs, and you can watch me recreate and decorate that in last week's video. Clearly, ever since I knew this room was changing, I have not taken care of it, so I need to get it finalized so I start taking care of it more, because as soon as I know something's like going to change, I just stop cleaning it, I stop worrying about it, I stop putting clothes away, so I need to fix it. So let me give you a little tour. All my clothes are still going to be down here. Just upstairs isn't big enough, so this is staying. But I'm going to move this, my great-grandfather's bar cart, away from the bathroom door because I'd like to use the bathroom, and I'm going to move it in front of this door, which does not open. It's a utility closet that's locked. I'm going to keep my desk here. I'm going to hang my bike up, hopefully on the wall. I just need to see if there's like a stud in a good location. And then I'm also going to probably put like a big table in the center, like a big craft table. And also, if I ever have more than like 2 friends coming over to eat, like a place that we can all sit down and eat, because right now I only have bar stools. So yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this week's video. I am so happy with how this turned out. These smell so good, so I'm a little distracted, but I hope you really enjoyed this week's video. I am so happy with how this room turned out. I think it's a lot more functional and I'll definitely be using it more. I'll link down below everything I've had to buy for this video, although most of the stuff is stuff I did have, but Lowe's, I wasn't planning on getting that many plants, but Lowe's had a clearance on pots, and really nice pots too. Normally their clearance is like plastic pots, nothing wrong with plastic pots, but they had a bunch of ceramic ones, so that's kind of why I can't point that far. One there, one here, and then one by the window as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. I'll see you next week. Bye!